why are actually we hosting this town hall? Why do we need to do this for our employees? What's the goal? What is the motto? Is it to inspire? Is it to inform? Is it to engage? What is the reason? So Kunal, we've seen a lot of companies sometimes skipping this step. So what happens when companies skip this step?
Okay, so when companies skip this step, the town hall often feels directionless because people are not aware of what they're signing up to or what is going to be there in the town hall. So without a clear objective, leadership messages become vague and employees tend to disengage, and the session turns into another meeting. So a well-defined objective ensures that every part of the town hall, from the agenda to speed networking to QA, aligns with what truly matters, whether it is for driving alignment, boosting morale, or addressing key business priorities.
Definitely, I agree. The more intentional you are, the more clear you are with the objectives, the more engaging your town hall will be.